Well, back again with another new point. This one is about entitled educated fool. Basically, it's about the people them who have them education, but go on like they still not on a reasonable ability despite them masters and them backload of subject and this and that. It's a really catchy poem, interesting poem, very educational. So hope you not like it. Them say education are the key, but our links are the top priority. Enough people with education behave like them better than everybody. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them say fool not go to school. But a whole heap of fool me encounter with subject, degrees, masters, and PhD. Come and go on like them at the top celebrity. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them are educated fool. Them so bright to the point. That's why you can't have a proper conversation without using a big word. You can't even reason with them. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them a blame lack of education for thief, gunman, and terrorists we in the nation. But who are the perpetrator? Who makes scamming a trend in a Jamaica? Certainly not those who drop out of school, but the mastermind behind them are the one them were full of book knowledge. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them are educated fool. Them sit down in a parliament a whole discussion about Zozo, but they now address the corruption implemented by the system. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them are educated fool. Them in the media I highlight crap and mix up and heresy. But them now highlight to the public the truth. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Watch out. Watch them. I go on like say them above me. Like say me never go to school. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them have the book knowledge, but they lack the street knowledge. Education is good, but so many use it and turn crook. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Me say them are educated fool. You think say speaking a lot of big words and having million subject mean you're intelligent? No. Them are educated fool. Educated fool. Them are educated fool. School of life, you know. And them say, I this say you learn the golden rule. But learning not just limited to just in the classroom.